Good day guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today we are going to look at how to edit this particular template. So if you want to get access to this template, click on the link in the description below for free. Alright, so before we begin, let's take a look at the interface of Photoshop. So in here we have the menu bar, which includes the file, the edit, the image, the layer, the type tool, and all of that. So this is where we make with the file. This is where you save your work when you are done, and then with the edit, this is when you make a little changes to the design, that is to edit it in different terms. So you can see it from the pop-up menu if you want to transform, if you want to copy, and all of that. Yes, and then below it we have the options bar, which displays whatever tool that you clicked on in here. So you could see that the brush tool is on. That is how come you see its characteristics being displayed here. Yes, and then this side is called the tools bar. So this is where you have your tools, your text tool, your brush, your shapes, your move tool, and many others. And this place is called your canvas. That is your working area. And then this is your layer panel. That is your panel. So this is what tells how your design has been ordered in here on the canvas space. So let's move into how to edit this template. So if you want to import your logo here with the part where it says your logo here, first of all you need to make sure that your logo, the background has been removed. Okay, the logo is without a background, and there are so many background removing sites, but I would prescribe Photo Room. So you use Photo Room to remove the background, you download it onto your files, and then you upload it here on Photoshop. So in order for you to upload this, first of all you need to delete your logo here, text, so that you can put your logo there. And in order to do that, you can just you move to the layer panel, and then you click on the eye icon. It takes it off. Sorry, you go to where it says your logo here. So first of all you go to your text tool, then you tap on this, then you can see your logo layer here. So then you delete it. Yes, then you see it's gone. So before you input your logo, you tap on the move tool, and then you go to your file, and whatever logo that you would want to import, yes, then you input your logo. Okay, so this logo, so you drag and then you drop, then you resize this, then you hold it in the middle, then you drag to the center. Then you click on the tick mark here to finish. Yes, then if you want to change the name of the collection, you tap on your text, you go to your toolbar, tap on your text icon, you go to horizontal type tool, and then you tap on it, and then you can now make your changes to any name that you want it to be. And when you're done, you click on this as well to finish it up. And if you want to take this off, the 50% off, you tap on this, then you close the eye. Yeah. And if you want to do that to the shape as well, you tap there again, then you see eclipse one, then you remove that as well. Yes. And if you want to change the text here, all you have to do is to just go to the text icon and then tap on this and then change it one by one how you want it. Then you move down, click down, then you change in a manner with which you would want it to be. Yes, so on and so forth. So if you want to change the color of the text as well, you tap here. First of all, you have to highlight the text you want to change the color. So you highlight this, then you can now tap on the rectangular box here, and then you change it to any color of your choice. You can see that the colors are changing. Yeah. Yes, so this is how you make changes to this. And now if you would want to change the call, you would now tap on it from the text icon, tap on this, and then you make changes. The same thing applies to this. If you do not have any email and you want to take it out, you can as well go to the eye icon and then take it off. And then the same with the icon, but the icon, before you take it off, you go to the move to, then you click on this, then the email icon, then you would remove it from there. So that's it. And if that's the case, if it happens this way, you want to shift the number to this side a little, you drag, you hold, and then you drag. The same thing applies to the icon. And now if you want to change the color of the background, you go to your layer panel here, you scroll down, then you go to layer 01. Yeah, and then you go to FX, you tap on gradients or color overlay. If you want one color or a solid color, then you go to overlay. But if you want two different colors in there, then you click on gradients overlay. So then you tap on the gradients rectangle here, click on that, then you tap on this button here, then you go to color, then you choose the color of your choice. So choose the color of your choice. So when you're done, click OK. The same thing to this side, you come to the color option, then you change it to suit the color that she wants. But if you would want to go with the same color, you leave it as such, and then you are good to go. So you could see that the color is changing from here. You see how your design is looking. So when you're done, you click OK. Then you'll be able to make changes. So if you want to change this as well, you tap on this, the color of this, then you go to shapes, then the options will be displayed at the options bar, then you go to fill, then you change it to the color of your choice, any color of your choice. Yes, so that is how it's done. So this is how we change the background, or this is how you change this particular template as well. So if you want to save your work when you are done, you go to file, you go to save as, and then you save it. You change the format, save as type. You could see Photoshop here, change it as JPEG. If you want to come back and make changes to the design, then you can save it as Photoshop, that is PSD. But if you do not want to, then you go to JPEG and then you save it to your desktop or to your documents. So that's it for today's video and for today's tutorial. See you next time in the next video. Bye bye.